Hey guys, as you can see I have the cargo quad here all finished up. Got all my stuff in from Hobby King, so got it all finished up here. Been working hard the last few days to get it done. As you can see, I'll just go through the stuff I got on it, and yeah, so we'll talk about that. I got 4 Blue Wonder 1500 kV brushless outrunner motors with 735 props on it. So then on each of those I have a 18 amp Hobby King ESC. They're tucked up under the wing up there, kind of in that tape mess, but so there's one, and then there's another one. Obviously there's 2 more on the other wing. So okay, so then for the ailerons, I've got on each side are the Hextronic 9-gram servos, and so we got that. And then in the back we have, I'll go back here. We have, you can see it's covered up by tape, but they are Hobby King Metal Gear servos. I'm not sure what they are, but they're really, really good servos. It's a really big surface to move back here, so they're really good. For landing gear, I've just got some small wheels. These wheels are not designed to handle a lot of weight, really, so I don't know how they're really gonna perform. But I've got like an old nose wheel from my F-18 that I wasn't using, so I put that on there. And then I've got just some wheels from Hobby King on some axles, and just basically, none of it's steerable. It's all just for just getting me on the ground and getting me up in the air. So got that, and then inside we got all the electronics. All in all, this is a pretty expensive setup that I've got in here right now. I'm running the DX8 with the 8-channel AR8000, I think. Yeah, AR8000 Spectrum receiver, and then I also have the TM1000 telemetry module hooked up to that, and off the telemetry module I have this is a voltage sensor. It just plugs into your battery or whatever you want to measure voltage of. And then there's also a temperature sensor tucked up in here. I'll just temperature the inside of the plane for right now, so it'll give me that. And then what else we got? We have the signal quality, so that's signal quality. And then yeah, and then it gives you your RX volts. So and it warns you if like you lose signal or something like that, so that's always good. And so yeah, I got that going. For batteries, I have 2 2200 Turnigy 25C batteries that come up into a Y connector and then branch off. You can't really see, but it branches off, and then there's another Y connector, and it branches off to each ESC. So I have 2 batteries running 4 motors, and then I have these batteries up here are just for nose weight for right now, because I'll be carrying this camera in the future, the GoPro HD, and this really doesn't weigh anything, but I'll probably put that on, and I don't know, possibly FPV on this plane. I might hook up FPV. It depends how well it flies and the stability of it. So yeah, we'll do that. Some really great features. As you can see, I don't know but it goes pretty far down there. That whole thing is a cargo bay, so I'll be able to load this up with whatever I want to do. I don't know what I'll put in there, maybe parachute guys or something. But I have like a 30-inch cargo bay of just openness, so that'll be awesome. And I'll put a servo on that door way back there. It doesn't have a servo on it now, but in the future I'll put a servo on there, and we'll have a functioning cargo bay drop. So for this very awesome plane, because of all the servos and all the everything that's running off of the receiver, I did not want to use the internal BECs of the cheap Hobby King receivers, and I just didn't want to have to deal with that. And just for safety, I put on a BEC. So I have a BEC, and then up here, I got to get some of these batteries out of the way. Like I said, these are just weights to help balance it. But this is the battery that's running all of my servos, telemetry, and all that. So it's just a Zippy 800 LiPo battery, so 3-cell. So it's a high discharge. So I got that. It just kind of sits up here. There's some room up here. See, this is the temperature sensor I was talking about. That little red heat shrinked area is where the sensor is actually located. And I'll probably put that on the outside once I get into more high altitude stuff with HD filming and that kind of stuff. So it really doesn't, you don't really gain any usage out of knowing the temperature, but it's just kind of a fun thing to know. That's what we're here to do in RC, is just to have fun. So got that. That's pretty much it. Out here is just satellite receiver from my AR8000, and then there's the antenna from the telemetry module. So that's pretty much it for this plane. I'll try to get a maiden flight of this soon. I don't know, I might film it with my GoPro on my head. I'm not going to put the GoPro on first flight, but I'll probably put the keychain camera on it first flight just to test it out. And so you guys will get a view of it maybe right there, or I might just use the GoPro as a helmet cam, who knows. But for right now, that's it on the cargo quad, but finally got it finished. It's been a long winter project on this plane, and long wait on the stuff from China, but it's finally done and good to go. So really looking forward to the maiden flight of this, and I hope you are too. Thanks for watching. Bye.